Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to install WordPress on localhost. So to do that, first we install XAMPP from Google. Then after opening it, we select the folder in which we want to install the XAMPP. Then select OK. Now we go to Google and search download WordPress. Then click on the download button, and after downloading, we unzip it and paste it in the htdocs folder of XAMPP. This is the process of adding WordPress to the local server. Then after that, we rename it the same as our website, so the WordPress is only added to the local server. To install it on the local server, first we turn on Apache and MySQL from XAMPP. Then go to browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin in the URL. A mobile dashboard is opened. Now we create the database to store our website. Click Create Database and enter the name of the database. And click Create. Now the database is created. Then go to the new tab and type localhost slash the name of the WordPress folder that you pasted in the XAMPP htdocs folder. Then select the language. Enter the database name that you created on phpMyAdmin. Enter the username root, then click Submit. Then it will ask the details of WordPress. So in this, add the site title name as the name of the folder of WordPress in XAMPP. Enter the username and password admin. Enter the email, then run the installation. Now log in with the WordPress username and password, and your WordPress is installed in your local server. Thank you.